How to fix low volume on AirPods. First is by checking on your control center and make sure that you're connected to your AirPods by clicking on that one. Choose the AirPods you have and then make sure also that you change the volume of your AirPods. However, if the problem still continues, then make sure to clean your AirPods. Then I suggest you should use a Q-tip and an alcohol since alcohol will evaporate easier. So once you have done that, you may also go to your settings and then scroll down and go to music right here and go to EQ or equalizer and choose late night. So what this will do is that it will enhance or it will increase the volume of your music. So again, if the problem still continues, then I would suggest to go to um, the nearest Apple or Mac Center for more information. So that's it. That's how you can fix low volume on AirPods.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.